I'm scared of the test because it seems like it's a math. Babagsak ako kaagad.
As much as I like money, I also hate money. It's a weird relationship, but I love it. But I just don't like what I have to do to get it. You know, that's what I hate about it.
There, do you want it there or there?
But I love having it. That's the problem.
I think everybody loves having it. It's the getting
The
it is the
making it
part
that's
that
difficult.
maintaining
That's
it.
what I hate. That's what I hate.
Later, I just have to
Thank
do
you.
a podcast. I'm gonna guest in a podcast. Ano ba
Sobrang
sa
biglaan, I know. But
At 8 o'clock.
sabi ko, inisip ko, dapat si Ray
But I'll be
magbanwa,
back.
but we moved it for next week. So sabi ko, patay wala akong guest.
Podcast.
Thank God,
Yeah, with
text ka
Tina.
sa akin.
Okay, so you're gonna go to Magic.
No, I don't know. She
So it
said
was
she'll just
fate,
send me the
it's
link.
fate.
It's her friend.
I don't know if you believe that. Maniwala ka pa sa mga fate.
I guess.
Ako lately lang ako dati napaka-atheist ko ngayon medyo I'm getting to believe all these things.
I get you.
Then start siguro with promoting your book, introduction on who you are, tapos windmills. Then we can talk about the podcast, then we can talk about process of writing, you know.
Tapos you live in Laguna?
No. Well, I used to stay in Marikina. And when I'm in the south, I would stay at our house. So, most of the time we would have meetings here in Manila. So, either that or sometimes we just check in. Just as Elsie just told you the news. We broke up last
Oh,
night.
sorry. Last month?
Last night.
What? Hindi pa yan. Can't no. Pag ganyan.
I actually had to
Baka
put my foot down.
maybe that's just a fight.
I had to put my foot down.
It's
It's
like
not
you
healthy.
need to drink. Are we drinking, Elsie?
Sige ba? You're asking me? I drink every day. I own a fucking bar. I drink.
I know you do.
Even my partner drinks. Hey baby, you're drinking. I know you're drinking. Enjoy.
Is she gonna join us later?
No, dude. She's steady. Soon she will. She misses Rowan. She'll bring the vodka. Okay, that's the end of that.
Next week?
Next week.
I can't take vodka. Can't handle it. Too strong for me. Tequila. That's a different story.
Yeah, I love tequila.
Tequila with Tabasco, salt, and calamansi or lime. Lemon. But I still remember your story with Sean. Your boots.
My boots when he peed on it.
Sorry na. Ngayon ko na nakita text.
Kala niya CR.
Ngayon ko na nakita.
I was like, it's okay.
Oh,
You're gonna buy me a new pair.
Did he?
Yeah, he did.
Ito yung aking bagong
I shopped on
Onyx.
online.
Yung
This
mga-
one.
Kuha ka ngayon.
All-Star Press. Ito si Eugene.
Oh,
Ang
kilala ko
artist.
siya.
Oh, sino Eugene? Tapos sabi
I
ko,
saw Dan.
okay,
I went to
I like it.
his house in Marikina.
He's just in Marikina.
Game na yan. Ang tagal na kasi yung development.
Exactly.
Staying there
Dapat
for-
na-release to nung summer.
Siya
Ano
with
pa
his-
yung Comic
with
Con.
his
Pero
wife,
hindi na na. Yeah.
And they
Tagal
have
talaga.
Tagal.
They have Little Dance and Cindy's already.
Ano
Oo, dalaga na yung isa.
Magpa-practice
I
nga ako
think the
ulit.
girl is C.
I
Roshin.
think
Gusto ko naman mag-drawing. Tagal lang talaga kasi nagsusulat ka sa drawing.
It's been 20 years.
Pero ako sooner or later, pag ako naisip, ako na lang gagawa lahat. Ako na mag-drawing, puta regis.
First,
Tsaga na lang ako, bili ako ng bagong,
I rented a place in
bagong, ano.
It's just across
Oo.
SNR.
Ano ba yung binibenta sa ano dati, sa Comic Con? May bagong, ganun kalaki.
Po yun.
Kaya, maganda yun. May pressure, ano siya, pressure sensitive.
And
Hindi ko na lang yun. Tapos drawing na. Ako na lang magda-drawing.
so plans changed.
Yung re-release ko,
Accomplished.
supposedly nung summer ko release pero di ko na-release dahil medyo tinopal ako.
You
Sabi ko,
were
something.
good, of course.
Well, ako ng depression. So,
it helped a lot.
hindi ko na
because at least
pero
we were
yun,
able to save
old school
on so
yun
many things.
na papel tapos
Then again,
scan.
It's just
Old school style.
So it can she's showing
sana
signs of
pero feeling ko, baka
health.
ilalabas ko this year. Kailangan na parang sayang, hindi ko ginawa. Waste of time.
And that's my mistake. What happened was, I just decided since already 41.
Yeah. Tapos ito. Yeah. Yan, old school yan. Old school siya. Mas iba pa rin talaga ang dynamic ng paper.
Oo.
Ito paper to. Meron.
Ganda, ganda.
Ang ganda nga eh.
Later.
Yeah,
It has to be with something.
So, ano ko talaga. Baka nga, I might still do paper na lang.
My best friend there. So,
Ano, you have like
I taught her how
natural
to
thing
drink it.
there.
You know the
Yeah.
werewolf?
Yun naman digital is
Yeah, man,
only there to
big
serve,
one.
you know, and some printing. So,
But the big, but
Nothing
like,
against
because there's
it.
a smaller bottle and then there's a
Yung
bigger
AI
bottle.
art lang talaga
So she
medyo.
was so excited
Hindi
to see
pa
me
ako
again after
parang
6 months.
ready
Because I
to,
moved back
I
to
don't know
Manila
how
because
to
I went
accept
for
something
hosting
lang.
in Boracay.
Ko
Well, this
alam
is a
eh.
hotel kasi
it cheapens it eh. I mean,
So we just
yun
asked
naman
the waiter
from
at
the
the
consumer
hotel, just give us 2
standpoint.
shot
Kasi
glasses.
parang,
No salt, no
Ah,
lime. So we just drink it straight.
dahil infinite siya.
But it is good.
Kaya
It
yung
is,
one
yeah.
piece is
3
like,
hours na we finished it. Sabi
immediately
ko daw
parang,
sa kanya
Mm.
you like this, Rona?
may ganong
Yeah,
psychological effect.
can't
Pero
drink
syempre
anymore.
kapag
Sabi niya,
sa advertising or
I said,
something,
2 shots na
parang
lang. 2
na
shots
kailangan
na lang.
mabilisan.
Ako na lang. Kasi speaks
It's
Tagalog.
gonna happen, you know.
So she drank it.
To take
diba?
over na yun soon.
It's so funny. Sabi ko, so I guess now I know.
I never
And I
try
was
to
okay. I
critique
didn't vomit or
kasi
anything. I was just,
anti-AI
I
na
was
no,
drunk, but
for the
I was
most part.
still
Pero
okay.
I don't
So
try
I was like,
to,
okay,
I
so
don't
now I
try
know
to
my
critique
colors. I
from
can drink
like
half of a
quality
half of a
standpoint.
bottle of tequila.
Since that's not the point, you're training people to immediately lahat ganito eh.
I mean, with all of the
Yeah.
other
And yung trickle down nun, immediate lagi
Well,
sa
I love
client.
sours.
Ganun.
Yeah.
Wala
Yeah.
nang buhay, wala nang trabaho.
So that's one
Yeah,
of the
man.
reasons why I
So-
don't actually.
So it doesn't give me a hangover. If I just drink tequila, it doesn't give me a
Usapang
hangover.
alcohol na yan.
Of course.
Vodka
Kasi
ba
the
yan?
conversation is for alcohol. Kaya sabi ko, like,
Tara, let's do it. Wanna come?
yeah,
I'm heading
yun
to
nga,
the-
I haven't seen this guy
I'm heading
in like,
I'm heading to the bar.
how many years na? When was that?
10 years, probably more than 10
No,
years.
That was like 2006,
22
2008.
years? No, sorry.
Di naman.
18 years. Something like that.
Grabe.
18, 17
Vera,
years.
we haven't seen each other in 18 years.
18?
Yeah.
That's like almost as old as you.
And he used to have long black hair till
He's
here.
very
look all
goth,
like
very goth.
very rock, goth.
Yeah.
Now,
You
now very
traded it over.
professional financial advisor.
Oh, so you used to be in music.
Used to.
He plays
I'm
the
more of
piano.
a music enthusiast. Yeah.
Actually, classical.
And then,
No, but he handles bands and artists. So he was in the circle,
So
deep
you're,
in the
you're
circle.
the talent manager.
More like I played around with managing,
Road
basically.
No, he does the road managing, the hard part actually.
And then at the same time, I was a music enthusiast, so I would learn from them. At the same time, try to work on my project band. But yeah,
Hindi ko tumandan.
secret is exercise.
Health buff. He does yoga and all that. How old are you now, bro?
41.
I'm old.
Wait, I'm older.
But you know what? Age is just a number. Whatever you can do, just continue doing it. That's what they said.
Diba?
Para ka naman
Ano
hindi,
daw, ano daw?
para ka naman hindi tumatanda, Rose.
Kaya nga nagpapaganda ako pero
Vampire.
nangyari.
You're a vampire. Look at that. Look at Vera. She'd be like, I wish I was like that when I get old.
No, just pick up some tricks.
I wish.
Pick up some tricks from the elderly.
No, they're not even. They're even gonna look younger than us when they reach our age because
By the time all the
Mas
stem cell stuff you guys
high tech na.
will
Eh.
have,
High tech na. Eh.
Sige, guess.
18, 20, 20,
Older.
22?
Older.
Late 20s, 28?
Hindi naman.
50.
Laki ng
25.
job.
Older.
23.
23.
Wow.
So, you know, at that time, CRISPR will probably be in every mercury drug and you'll never grow old. You'll live for more than 100.
No,
Genomedicine.
the stem cell, the regenerative research. I had the guy, I had him on my show yesterday, and he was talking about how, you know, if you,
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
yeah, diba? So how, like now,
I
they
mean, I
can
saw the
put
photo.
stem cells into your body,
Right.
and then it becomes
repair itself.
regenerative.
Right.
It grows into
Into
your
your-
new skin, into
yeah,
your new
yeah.
cells.
Yeah.
Para
They
tayo,
actually harvest that.
Yeah, from human placenta and
Mhm.
umbilical cord.
ano na tayo? Wolverine na tayo lahat at that point. Will be regenerating, healing factor. Diba? There's a new study about how to reverse telomeres, because telomeres is the only thing that makes you old, right? So there's a way of reversing that now, using genome editing. So that's crazy. You
That's
can be
scary.
Benjamin
I don't
Button.
wanna
I mean,
live forever.
Benjamin Button.
With that, at the same time, they're also experimenting with other sorts of stuff, like even removing the head and placing it to another body. You remember that Russian
Oh
experiment?
Oh yeah, with the dog and the no.
And then
The
another one
monkey.
with a human.
They tried it
brain,
again.
yeah, with a brain dead person. Okay, so the body is okay, but the brain was also. And then another one with a what do you call that disease? I don't know if it's sarcoma.
Basta gawin niya akong Robocop. Masaya na ako. Put my brain in a robot, I'm fine.
Yeah.
With
yeah.
weapons, I'll be fine.
True. That'll be fun.
Yeah.
I mean, all you gotta do is just continuously change your stuff.
Yeah,
Hey, I
okay.
want to have this
Your
chainsaw.
gears, yeah.
And you won't have any problems with height. Hey, I
You
want
can
my
just-
legs to be longer.
Gusto ko yun.
Jack it up.
Gusto ko yun. That's something I'd be.
Hello.
Hey, Jacob. Mr. Jacob Rubin. I reckon you came from a gunfight, my friend.
He has a hat too.
Oh, you brought your hat. Mighty fine
Very
looking hat.
crown, Jane.
Mighty fine looking hat.
That's nice.
20
There
years
you,
younger.
there you go.
Learning from the masters.
Man. Sarap siguro yun to bring a holstered gun everywhere.
Are you wearing your cowboy boots? I am.
Have you
Perfect.
seen my new ring? It's Lord of the Rings.
Oh, it is.
Wow.
The one.
The One Ring.
The One Ring.
One ring that rules them all.
Is that the my precious?
Yeah. You know how they made the ring fall to the ground like heavily? It's magnetized pala sa baba.
That's
So
why.
when the ring
You're
falls
too
down,
good at
Can
this.
you do the show like that?
No.
That was a-
Maybe we could do a segment like that though. Like everybody has a character.
Yeah, you have to stick with the character.
Yeah, we
I was so happy when Lord of the Rings came out because I thought, because Harry Potter was like dominating everything, and I was so bored with Harry
Yeah.
Potter. Like, it's so boring. And when Lord of the Rings came out, oh thank God, this is like my jam.
More your face.
How are you?
So we're playing The
think I'm
Dawn
okay.
right now. After this song, your show plug comes in, and then yung Be Unique. yung
Alright.
background,
Alright.
And then that's when we
all right, do it. Let's do it.
What have you been talking about?
Vodka a while ago. Aging, anti-aging, how it's that, how stem cells is gonna change everything, genome editing, CRISPR, and all that.
I thought there was coffee comics and beyond.
No, this is before that.
Oh,
But you know what? I love talking about that stuff in my podcast before because that's sci-fi, which is becoming, you know, it's now in real life.
Which one was this?
Genome.
Genome editing was used to be sci-fi. Now it's here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Gattaca, right? Where they, go into the DNA and
Galing yung Gattaca. No, in Gattaca, it's the most.
came out in
It's the most.
90s pa yun eh.
Yeah, it's the most discriminating.
1999 yata to.
Ganun, no? Discriminating thing, because your fate is according to your blood.
Yeah.
If your blood, if
Basically,
your
all of us are invalids because we haven't been genetically modified.
That's right. That's right. So if your genes are you can tell if your genes are
And that means the rich will only be the ones
It's
who
Not
almost
necessarily.
similar to
Not necessarily.
Superman with the blue codex. Everyone.
That's right. That's right. That's right. No, in Superman, what I like about the Snyder Superman, the codec of Krypton is in his blood.
Exactly.
So he is Krypton. You can regenerate Krypton with his blood. So that's just awesome. That's super sci-fi, man. Yan ang nagustuhan ko sa Snyder. Parang, that's very awesome. Yung nga lang, parang baduy ng ano nila, USB nila. Parang, ang laki. Parang, mas maliit pa yung USB ko dyan. Low-tech si Krypton. Yung USB nila.
Yeah.
Big thing.
Ganda yung respect nila kay Kirby sa Snyderverse.
Yeah.
Na i-treat si Kirby as a serious sci-fi thing.
Dapat lang naman. Should really treat them. Excited ako sa Fantastic Four.
Oh yeah.
I like the treatment.
Classic.
Gusto ko yung treatment.
Sana maganda. I like yung book eh. I read a lot of it. Tapos parang
Yung life story.
Was this
Favorite yung life
the
story.
first version of the Fantastic Four?
yung
With
kina
the robot?
Si Herbie, no?
Herbie the Robot. Well,
I don't like yung voice ni Thing. It doesn't seem like it's coming from him.
baka lamang.
Yeah.
The thing is kasi, si Herbie the Robot was placed because they had to take out Human Torch.
Mm-mm.
Because they deemed him a bit dangerous for kids. So in the Fantastic Four animation in the 70s, they had to take out Human Torch and replace him with Herbie the Robot. With this movie coming out, they put everything there. Pati si Herbie, ginawa nilang parang yaya nila, si Herbie the Robot or Butler. Diba? So that's
gusto ko na parang hindi asshole si Reed.
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
Hindi nila sinusundan yung white scientist trope
Yeah,
right now.
yeah.
And like,
Originally, he was a nagne-neglect siya. He's
I think you can only do that so much din kasi.
I mean, he was so
Just too focused on-
focused on science. He's not a romantic. he's
There
not-
was they were showing so much eccentricities.
Kaya nga
in
in
society.
kaya nga in one Stanley What If, nasulot si Sue Storm ni Namor. And
Oh
they-
yeah, submarine.
Submariner.
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 Namor.
Because Reed was an absentee husband.
Mhm.
Diba? So that's I like Fantastic Four. Yung
But
treatment
not
ni
scary.
Reklamos playing now.
Alright. Yung treatment ni Stanley doon is a sitcom. It's a family sitcom. It's a family
3
drama.
minutes.
That's
2.5
The
minutes.
latter part of Fantastic Four
We're
got
go
scary
live.
because they just really put emphasis on how smart he was. And just like the Illuminati in the movie MCU,
right.
they became the what do you call it, the leader? Would you say he was the leader?
Illuminati.
Mm-hmm. That was a little dark for me. I just found it dark, especially
Well, he is the smartest
Scarlet Witch.
person in Marvel. Si Reed Richards.
Mhm.
Second lang siguro si Dr. Von Doom. Victor Von Doom.
What's the ranking of Iron Man?
He's smart, but he's an engineer,
Oh,
right? He's more of an engineer. He's a builder.
Yun yung treatment kay Reed sa Planetary eh, na science hoarder sila. Na kahit anong ma-discover nila, hindi bumabalik sa society.
He
Like, they
keeps
just
it to
keep
himself. So
Ganun.
makes sense for someone like that, na introvert, na super smart introvert. And if it's something that's too dangerous to share to the world, would you share it? Let's say in the 40s, you discovered to split the atom. Would you share it to the world knowing that it's gonna turn into the atom bomb? It's gonna be weaponized? It's hard. It's hard to share discoveries. Yun yung ano eh, yun yung premise ng Space Battleship Yamato. Kaya favorite ko yun eh, di ba? Niregaluhan sila ng aliens ng wave motion technology to harness tachyon power and to create unlimited supply of energy to fuel the earth. Anong ginawa ng humans? They weaponize it. They turn it into a cannon that can destroy everything. Parang, okay, that's how being human is. Yeah. Weaponize everything.
20 seconds.
Hey, bro.
Jam 8.3. We are now on Coffee Comics and Beyond with LC De Leon.
Hello, thanks Vera for that beautiful introduction, and I hope everybody is stuck in traffic. Actually, there's no traffic.
Today, compared
today.
kahapon. No?
Why? Is there
Ay,
some sort of a? Is there some sort of a celebration again? I really
I
don't
have
know.
no
'Cause
idea. I just remember it being so bad yesterday that I
Yesterday.
had to book an angkas instead of commuting because the jeeps weren't moving at all. Man.
Oh.
Wow.
But it's different today.
Wow. No, I was driving along Ortigas and was pleasantly surprised that it's not that bad, which is weird. There must be some sort of a scientific anomaly there.
I don't know. Maybe
Like,
an event or something.
We were talking about Fantastic Four a while ago, and
Yeah.
we're anticipating this new movie. And I'm so happy that my good friend Giselle Nicolas is here. Hi, Giselle.
Hello.
Giselle is a writer and an artist, and he's released a couple of books that we sell in the shop. Ano ang mga books mo, Giselle, again? Windmills? and-
Meron ng windmills. Yun
Yeah.
yung, teka.
Here we are.
He's taking out his books.
So this is what we sell in the shop, and you can also avail this everywhere. You can just go online. You can go straight to him,
So,
or you can go to his
IG,
IG.
Josel Nicolas Art.
There you go.
um,
And this is a very interesting book because it's look at that. It's
It's a graphic novel, guys.
It's
So
a graphic
if
novel.
you want to see what his novels look like, you can go on our Facebook live stream because Elsie's doing like preview right now.
and I like the fact that it's very it's philosophical, and that's what that's para siyang ano. It hits me like Charlie Brown.
Like Charlie Brown.
A little bit,
Okay.
a little bit.
Mhm.
Ito, this one is grief. This is very heavy. I urge you guys to read it, but with caution, because this is a heavy book. This is about what again? You tell them.
Yung parents ko died,
Oh, there you go.
and I decided to process it through
See?
a comic book, ganun.
See?
Tapos there are parts na parang a religious or like faith stuff, ganun. Tapos madaming may merong parts tong kay Bruce Willis. The funny thing about yung work ko is that it's not funny, pero I thought I was writing a comedy.
Right.
But everyone is like, yung pinakamadalas na nangyayari, yung pet peeve ko actually is, like, someone will buy yung book, like, usually a friend.
Right.
Tapos, a little bit later, sasabihin na, hindi ko tinapos. Lungkot eh. Parang,
Yeah.
okay, well, okay, sige, good for you.
It's no, I get it. It's especially in this country, we're always trying to escape because our situation usually is not that happy. We live through traffic every day. 90% of people probably hate their jobs. We're poverty stricken. Most of the time, and so they want to escape.
We live in a constant state of survival. Eh?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
in the rare times that we get to find that escape, as
Right.
you say, diba? Parang,
They want something funny,
Yeah, you want something
happy,
funny.
which is
Aray naman.
I get it. No. This is reality, Giselle. I'm in the same boat as you because I write revenge, and it's not happy. Diba? It's not happy at all. So how will we entertain populace that wants an escape from their depression? So offering something a bit depressing is counterintuitive. So this is something that we have.
Actually, I would disagree with
Mm,
that because like there is something about dito sa grief.
Mm.
Like it's about yung death ng parents ko. A lot of people have actually messaged me and thanked me
Nice.
for
Nice.
helping to put
My
things
inline,
into
my inline.
context. Yeah.
Context. That's
Because
great.
like there's nothing like relating to someone going
Mm.
through something
That's right.
and like seeing it reflected.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. So there's that one.
Mm.
So you find that niche, you find that core market, which gravitate towards your style. Then great, you have it made. It's just finding those people. So yun. So yeah, you also have a podcast about yourself.
Oh yeah, Galingan Mo Naman, I host a podcast with River Cruz, Steven Sagad, Margie De Leon, and Vin Agua, edited by Julio Gatchalian. It's a self-help comedy podcast. It drops on Mondays sa Spotify. We have like 80 episodes na. Recently did a collab with Lady Bosses. Tapos they covered yung comics event sa San Pablo, yung Seven Lakes
Ano yung
Comics
Lady
Festival.
Bosses?
Isa siyang feminist
Okay.
podcast. I did like how I said feminist podcast. Hindi, isa siyang podcast ng mga lady comedians, mga sila
Right,
Ginny
right.
Lakay,
Okay,
si Asco,
okay.
at saka
Nice.
Ian,
Yung podcast mo, do you share it in IG or Facebook?
We
Can
share it in IG, meron kami Facebook
Yun,
page
IG.
din, yung Galingan Mo Naman podcast.
Perfect. It's linked there. They can find it there
Yes,
also.
yes.
Sometimes people don't go to. I don't go to Spotify. You know why?
No.
The owner's an asshole. Do you know that? The owner's like
Are
the
you
biggest,
willing to spill? What?
the biggest asshole in the world. You know that?
Oh, I never.
Watch the Spotify story in Netflix.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sige, noted yan.
But I mean, what they do is great. It's just that I don't know.
Yung, it doesn't he like nickel and dime yung mga musicians and
Oh,
stuff.
pati yung, di ba, pati yung love of his life na
Or like personally asked.
first, yeah, but I don't know. Kanya na yan. So there you go. So you have a podcast and you have books, and if you want to check out his books, head to Coffee and Comics in Panay QC. It's displayed there. I hope meron pa. You've been selling well, so I don't know. I hope meron pa. So I think meron pa naman there. So you can just check it out.
Meron. Nag-iisang kopya. Mag-agawan na kayo.
Sometimes it's ganun.
Very
The
stock now.
only copy. Then exacto, we're going to the shop later. You can restock. Then while you're there, check out other stuff also. I have works from JV Tatuatco, works from other independent comic book art creators. My book's there, Crossing. It's available there. So check it out. If you like revenge, if you like crime, that's something that you might want to check out. That's the only thing I write. Crime and revenge.
Sige. Alright. More on this later. Again, this is Elsie De Leon with Giselle. So, if you guys have any questions coming in about their works, about Elsie's bar and Elsie's coffee place, sige, let us know. Nakikita ko naman yung comments niyo dito sa Twitch. If you have song requests as well, I'm very generous with that sort of stuff. So send them in. But for now, we will be back after a short commercial break. And may request actually dito si O or Zero Abomination. So after the commercial break, I'll be playing a song for you. And yeah, we'll be back here on Coffee, Comics, and Beyond.
His name is Zero Abomination. And we can go all out. I don't know what I can talk about. Saya naman yung Fantastic Four kanina.
You
You
watched
watched
it
the
na?
movie?
No. I haven't watched the movie in 6 months.
Was it already
In
was it
6
already
months.
You
showing?
should watch Sinners.
Sabi nga nila eh.
I watched it twice.
Wala pa ako sa ano eh. Pagkahabit, wala akong oras eh. I'll probably.
June
Since
11.
CNN days.
What?
That's when they're showing it, right?
Yung
Streamer.
Fantastic Four. I'll watch it when everyone's like, tapos na yung pilahan and all that. I don't wanna like rush to the theater.
True. I don't want to go to the
Mm.
plaza.
So we're here on Coffee, Comics, and
We should get like a movie sponsor. Back in the day when we were doing Robo Rock Radio in 105, we were getting we were getting free movie passes. We should do that.
So we invite local authors up here.
Sino kaya?
It's fun for me because I get to meet them.
Oh, you brought your guitar.
Yes.
Borrow.
And you didn't play.
I played earlier.
Play again.
Go lang. There's a toilet right there.
I gotta head home soon.
You're not gonna wait for the till the end of the program?
Is that a new guitar or
Maybe.
Oh.
One day.
First one.
it's your first guitar?
Yeah.
And it's a nylon. Nice.
Yeah.
Can I see before you put it in?
Actually love his strings kasi ang dali niya ito.
The name's
Smart.
Heartstring.
Heartstring?
Yeah. I was trying to figure out names before. I talked about it with my dad. He said Heartstring would be a good one. So
That's so lover boy of you.
I don't know, it just felt right.
I wish I could play guitar like that.
Just gotta keep practicing.
Nice man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Desperado.
I'll just get a guitarist to play with me, for me. Hello there. Oh my God! Sige, of course! Pareho tayo. This user, lagi siyang nandito. Yung mga nire-request niya, laging favorite ko.
Ah,
Pareho kami ng
okay.
music taste.
Nice. You guys should meet.
Ha?
Maging tropa mo na yun.
Sige, tropa. Pinollow niyo na rin ako eh. Sige. Why not? Si Cynthia Alexander. Sige.
You're heading out now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Alright.
It
Right
was
into
nice
the
seeing you
sunset.
again.
Take care, Jaden.
Thanks. You too.
Ganda yung Sinners. Nakatuwa siya.
Sinner, oh,
Ganda siya as a cinematic
everyone's telling me about it. Kaso wala akong... Yeah, I'll probably... Wala na yun, no? So I'll just wait for it to
may torrent.
download. I'll download that shit.
Cure. Of course! The Cure. Why not?
What song from The Cure? I love The Cure.
Anything daw from The Cure.
Ah,
Why
po
not?
siya, ano?
I love The Cure.
Do ano? Freak.
Sige lang.
No. Oh my god. Do Boys Don't Cry.
Boys Don't Cry. So sana just like heaven.
Ah, sige. That's one of...
Or later. Actually, we're going live in 25 seconds.
Bumalik ako sa stand-up recently.
Oh, good. Ako, I tried it. Masaya naman pala.
Jam 88.3, where everything rocks. You're still tuned in to Coffee, Comics, and Beyond. That was You Only Live Once by The Strokes. So I hope natuwa naman yung nag-request. I love doing this for you guys. But yeah, so we're back here with Elsie and Giselle.
Eh,
Low.
I hope you guys are stuck in traffic so you can listen to us.
If we haven't stressed it enough.
But kanina nga walang traffic. It's very surprising. I was pleasantly surprised. Unless there's some sort of a bakasyon again, diba? There's always like some celebration in this country. I just don't know what. I'm not really in tune.
Fiesta, but yeah.
Diba? There's always like, oh, ganito. Diba? Saint ganito, Saint ganyan. I don't know. I don't know these celebrations because I'm not affected by them.
I'm not affected by it.
Because I don't work. Anyways, yeah, so we're back and we've been talking about a lot about Giselle's work. And ano mo, Giselle? What's your influence what's your biggest influences? There you go. I want to know that.
Dami eh.
Let's go. Top 3. Bigyan mo akong top 3 creators that you gravitate to.
So, si Alan Moore,
Siyempre, thank God.
Eddie Campbell, pero si Nate Powell. Ganon.
Good. You know,
Tapos John Darnielle siguro. Sa songs.
basta parati usually nandiyan si Alan Moore. I don't think any... Do you know a creator na I don't like Alan Moore?
The kids.
Really?
Yeah, he's pretty old na din. Like I think medyo a lot of kids don't read Watchmen na din. Ganon as like a basis.
Really?
Yeah.
To tell you the truth, hindi rin natin panahon si Alan Moore. I learned Alan Moore because of my older brother.
Yeah,
Right?
2000s
Tito
pa
ko.
siya nabasa.
because-
Pero even then, nung 2000 matanda na yung Watchmen eh. So,
That's right.
yeah.
Kasi in the 80s, I was a
80s.
toddler, so I wouldn't read. I can't read back then. so during that, I learned about Watchmen. Late na rin ako in the late 90s when I really got heavily into comics. Dun ko na, wow, this is crazy. This is a book from the 80s. Parang what the heck, diba? It's ahead of its time. So up to this day, it's still high up, diba? So I don't think he's gonna disappear anytime soon. I think. Do you think so? Do you think he's gonna be like parang Will Eisner? Nobody talks about Will Eisner anymore, right? Parang diba? The Eisner Awards is actually a guy who created comics, diba?
Yeah.
The
Like
ano.
yung gumawa ng Domino Mask, di ba, for superheroes. Oh, well,
the
baka yun
spirit
yung
is Will Eisner.
Yeah.
So nobody talks about
I
Will
think
Eisner.
so. I think so. Like,
So?
I think may...
Will he be ano pa ba? Will he be relatable pa ba after like 10 years down the line? Alan Moore will be talked about
I
still?
think you'd be surprised kung gano'ng kabilis mag-move on ng people from like, ano.
Now, ano?
I mean, to be fair, it's like, kailan mo yung Watchmen? It's like 40 years ago or something.
Probably.
Diba?
Yeah, around 40
So,
years ago.
parang, ayun, I think it's gonna,
Fade out.
nag-iiba yung canon eh. I feel. It's
Un-
gonna be there all the,
Unless it's
palagi.
rehashed. Unless it's rehashed,
yeah.
no?
Pero I noticed the kids these days, hindi na masyadong,
Unless it's rehashed, but like talking about rehashing things, the new Fantastic Four movies coming out, and that's sort of a rehash ng the classic Fantastic Four. And there's nandun pa si Herbie the Robot, which was, we were talking about it a while ago, Herbie the Robot was the replacement for Johnny Storm, for the Human Torch. Because back in the day, in the 70s, the Comics Code Authority was so tight, was so strict, that the Human Torch was deemed dangerous. So they took him out and replaced him with a friendly robot. It's Herbie.
You know, I always thought, because I watched the original cartoon where si
Right.
Herbie, I loved yung Fantastic Four. I always thought that the reason that they took out yung si Human Torch was he was hard to animate and it was easier to animate like a little robot.
Pwede naman din. So before that, there was a cartoon na with kasama si Human Torch, and it was very campy. There was one time natalo siya, binuhusan lang.
Yung Spider-Man.
They had the Spider-Man style, di ba?
Well, the Fantastic Four one was really silly then. Like, nung dumating si Magneto with his car, na he would just float yung car niya.
It was very silly.
He was so obsessed na I can levitate my car with my magnetism.
Yeah, di ba? That was so campy. Tapos natalo siya. I remember that episode. Tapos natalo siya ni Reed Richards with a wooden gun. Di ba? You're now gonna come with us and go to prison. I can just destroy that gun with my magnetic powers. What is happening? My magnetism does not work. Then he conceded and went to prison, and it's, lo and behold, it's a wooden gun. So stupid. But that worked. I mean, the kids loved it back then. Then we watched na, as I just said, the reruns. That was the
those were reruns.
Reruns. I think. I don't think Cartoon Network did a rerun of that. I saw it somewhere.
I watched yung
Fox.
Fantastic Four
Fox.
stuff nung Star Plus.
Oh,
Siya
yun,
maging
yun.
Star World. Yun, dun ko pinanood yung Lost in Space.
Yeah.
Batman 66 at saka
Yeah.
the original Star
Right,
Trek.
right,
Yun yung
right.
mga trip ko ng bata.
Kasi Cartoon Network rehashed cartoons from the 80s.
Saka
TNT,
TNT
70s.
paggabi.
Oo. They rehashed Space Ghost and turned him into a comedic, di ba? Space Ghost to Coast to Coast.
That's funny kasi I
Adult
watched yung
Swim.
Space Ghost, Coast to Coast first time, RPN 9. Pinapalabas siya at 10 a.m. Akala nila pang kid siya. And I would just watch it before pumasok sa class. It's what the hell? What is this?
Pati si Harvey Birdman, attorney at large. Di ba? But in reality, these are actually serious characters from the 70s that they just rehashed, diba? So that's pretty funny what Cartoon Network did. So sooner or later, I guess there's gonna be some sort of rehashment of other characters. Speaking of which, Space Ghost now is back as a serious character in comic books, and it's not bad. I read the first some issues, not bad. But nothing beats the new Eisner Award comic book now, Transformers.
Transformers,
Grabe,
Daniel Warren.
It's still going
Johnson.
on. It's still going on. It's like crazy. Skybound just hit the jackpot with this title, and one of my favorite writer and artist in the same time, Daniel Warren Johnson. Amazing.
Gusto kong mabasa yung comic na about wrestling. Yung Duo Powerbomb.
Ang galing. That was his first ba or the second?
I don't know which one.
I think that was his first kasi yung Falcon, yung ano niya, and is his
iba pa yung
first Murder Falcon.
Iba pa yung Falcon thing na yun dun sa Duo Powerbomb.
Iba
pa.
So yun. So amazing. I mean, yeah. So much good stuff coming out. And you Vera, are you excited with the new Fantastic Four? Or you're not into the. You don't
Those
even.
are Fantastic Four,
Oh,
but
you're not in tune with
I mean, I wouldn't say I'm not into those, superhero things. I just wouldn't say na like, di ko kasi pag sinabi kong fan ako, people are gonna come
Not
after
really,
me.
not really. It's not as.
You're not a fan. You don't know. You
No,
don't even
no.
know this.
Then,
You
then
know.
Vanessa Kirby, nandun siya. Siya si Sue Storm.
And that's the name of the actress, Vanessa
Yeah,
Kirby.
yeah, I know, ironic kasi Jack Kirby yung creator, di ba? Si Vanessa
Galing,
Kirby
galing.
nasa
It's not-
Fast and the Furious.
Hindi ka mag-anak ni
Hindi.
The King Kirby. Okay. Well, no one's gonna hit on you now about that. No one's gonna attack you for that. I don't know. Parang nabawasan na. I think we're now. Ako as a comic book guy, I'm kind of tired of
Okay.
superhero movies. I'm not like
Oh,
excited anymore. Parang
With the
Sure.
DC and the Marvel
Too much.
rivalry going on. It was,
wala na, may rivalry pa ba?
wala na ngayon. Yeah, kasi kahit Marvel
It's not
medyo
anymore.
falling off.
Unlike
but apparently they're bouncing back.
A little
With,
bit, I guess, with the
ano yung
Thunderbolts.
pinakabago nila?
Thunderbolts.
Yeah.
Mm.
Parang people like it so far. Haven't seen
Yeah,
it.
I mean, now I think comic book people now has moved to more serious stuff. There's a lot of titles that are not non-superhero related, and it's pretty good. Like I said, kanina, one of the biggest selling comic titles now is Transformers. That's not a superhero comic book. It's
Isn't that considered a superhero?
technically not. It's war. Which it's just with sentient robots, but it's war.
But
It's
do
not.
we not consider them as like
No,
heroes?
no,
It's
no.
like
Well,
they're
they save
saving humans and
They,
stuff.
they save humans, pero kasalanan din naman nila why the Decepticons are here.
Okay, that's fair.
Diba? They brought them here, so
Uh-huh.
they brought their war to us. We're just caught in the crossfire.
Mhm.
So technically, it's not.
It's
A
not.
superhero would just save lives despite anything else, diba?
Mm.
So yun. So I don't know. I'm just kind of. And that's surprising coming from me, who's been a comic book fan since I was, God knows how long. I mean,
No,
since 3 years old.
It's refreshing, yeah.
Diba? Parang, man.
Maybe our listeners can tell us what you think. What are your opinions on this one, honestly? Kasi ako, I wouldn't say I have strong opinions about like what qualifies as a superhero comic or a non-superhero comic, or maybe there's like comic books that you guys are reading into right now that you want us to talk about. Sige, let us know. Drop it on the comments below. But for now, we'll be having another short commercial coming up and another song that I lined up especially for Iggy 107. So you're requesting another one of my favorite songs. So I have "Comfort in Your Strangeness" by Cynthia Alexander lined up.
I love that song.
Yeah, I love that song. I love Cynthia Alexander. So yeah, this is Jam 88.3 where everything rocks.
There was one issue where they showed the side of the Decepticons,
Mm.
and from that you would actually agree.
You would
Yeah.
empathize with them.
Yeah.
I think that was IDW. That was a run where they told the story of Megatron, how he became Megatron.
That Megatron and Optimus Prime were actually close before.
Transformers 1, the animation. Well, there's a comic book run where Megatron was a gladiator, and he was a worker. He was a miner. So mahirap mga Decepticons. The Autobots were the leaders of the aristocrats, parang ganon. Then Decepticons rebelled. They realized that they're stronger,
Bigger.
It's like what if like lahat ng workers in society rebelled. They'll outnumber aristocrats 100 to 1, probably even more. But they can actually take over. That if it's just numbers lang talaga pag-usapan.
Yeah.
That's an interesting concept. Diba? What if ganun, Every blue collar worker in the world rebelled. Diba? Took over the world. They can actually do that.
Ayun naman yung thesis ng Marxism.
It's gonna be chaos
Marxism.
to begin with, and then suddenly certain perspectives will be changed.
Right.
Because everything that will represent the old, they will first deny.
Right.
So to me, I find that scary,
Scary.
especially deeper concepts,
Right.
right? Just like the story of Thanos.
Yeah.
Like there's this story about Thanos being able to uh, foresee what's gonna happen in the future with the Celestials and Galactus, and he took his time because Odin was still alive. This is in the MCU.
Mm.
Odin was still alive, and Zeus was also, all the Sky Fathers were still there. And then suddenly, when they were gone, Odin, Hela, Thanos made this move.
Right. Well, I like the MCU Thanos though. Kasi, ano siya,
Because the comic version was
he's petty in the comic.
just
Nanliligaw
wanted
lang
to
siya.
impress Lady Death.
In the
Oh, it's just that.
at least in the MCU, he had purpose, diba?
Yes, and it was logical.
It
Because-
was logical.
Resources is actually finite.
Diba the argument is, why not he just make more resources?
More.
And the
Uh,
argument there is, oh nga, but when is it gonna end? If he makes more resources,
That's why he destroyed the stones after.
yeah, you make more
We have
resources,
30 seconds left.
you're just gonna overpopulate again.
Mhm.
And when is it gonna end? Diba?
True.
So I don't know, sustainability. It's a question of sustainability.
Actually, there's some people who say, in a way, Thanos is actually a hero because he saved.
In a way.
He saved Earth.
In a way. At saka it's great because you see the earth actually flourish. You see humpback whales in San Francisco. So that's not all bad.
And he delayed the destruction. of the
JMAD
world.
8.3, we are back on Coffee, Comics, and Beyond,
Yeah.
still with LC and Giselle.
Hello, everybody. We've been. We're also with my friend here, Paolo.
Paolo,
And,
okay. Do you want to come in next to him so that you can share the
You
mic?
can come in here, dude. And it's funny that we were just talking about MCU because we were talking about how wala na eh. It's like nawala na yung what do you call that,
The spark.
the
yung
spark
ano,
of a superhero film.
Special feeling when you watch men with briefs outside of film.
That's
shows,
right,
you know?
men with tights, diba? So people in tights. I mean, back in the day when when Spider-Man came out.
Mm.
No, sorry. Let's dial it more.
X-Men.
Dial it back pa. X-Men or even
Batang X.
I remember Batang X. Or even I'll go Batman. The first
That's true,
Michael
Batman.
Keaton. When it
I've
came
never
out.
watched yung Michael Keaton one.
What you guys?
Yeah, I watched yung
What?
ano yun, yung Penguin one, yung Batman.
That's
My
better.
favorite, yeah.
That was better. That was better than the first one. For me, I never really experienced kasi Superman, the Christopher Reeve Superman was like
Mm.
probably the first blockbuster superhero.
I've never watched them.
Really? Are you serious? You know that Mario Puzo wrote the script for that?
Si Godfather.
And he was there also as a Godfather. Anyways, yeah, I was when Superman came out in 1977. Or 78. I was a baby, so I mean, I didn't really experience the you watch that na lang after when you're older and you watch it in back in the day, divulging my age. I watch it in VHS.
Compute nyo na lang, guys.
Diba? So you never really experienced the gravitas of going. It's in the theater, right? It's in the theater.
Mm.
Like I'm lucky to have seen Jurassic Park when it came out, and all the hype that came with it. Diba? You see it in the large screen and the anticipation of which. And now it's like, that's just normal CGI. Back in that
No, the
time,
CGI back then was so much better than the
so
CGI
good.
now.
Back then it was like we were at
Animatronics.
awe to see a dinosaur. Like, holy crap, that's a dinosaur on
Because
the
it
big
wasn't
screen.
all CGI.
Yun na
Because
nga.
it was a lot of practical things.
Animatronic,
Yeah,
diba?
animatronic.
They
Animatronics,
also had
yeah.
it with
I think ngayon
Johansson.
kasi parang medyo costly na siya.
My point
Yeah.
being,
When you
eh,
watch like a Marvel movie, it's all CGI, and you
CGI,
kind of
yeah.
just watch.
Yeah. But my point being is iba pa rin the experience when you see it come out for the first time.
Mhm.
But when you watch it on ano na, on whatever media you're watching it on, iba na yung dating. Like, oh, I discovered, let's say, I know some of my younger friends discovered The Crow ni Brandon Lee.
Mm.
Fairly recent. And they were like, oh, this is so awesome. Yeah, but yung what I saw, what I experienced is different from what you just discovered.
Mm.
And it's the same with us when my titos tell me, why do you listen to Led Zeppelin?
Mm.
Yeah, because I discovered it. This is one of the best bands in the world. Yeah, but you never really experienced it. You never experienced when they first came out and when you saw them live. And no, I'll never experience that. Like my Lola saying, you've never experienced Ten Commandments. Man, we've seen the Charleston Heston Ten Commandments on
Wala kayo
TV.
literal na commandments.
From the Bible.
How old is your lola?
Wow, she's ancient. She's
Okay.
immortal.
Binato sa amin.
Diba? I mean, when Ten Commandments came out in the theater, people were like running away from the screen because they thought that the water was gonna hit them. It was that kind of experience. Tayo parang. So going back to what my point is, when Batman came out, when Batmania hit, I was there. I was a 10, 11-year-old kid who became a crazy Bat fan because of that movie. And dun ko rin nabasa exactly, my brother from the States made me read Dark Knight Returns.
Oh.
So sabay yun.
Mm.
So when I associate, that's the reason I associate the Tim Burton Batman with Dark Knight Returns, Frank Miller, which is the quintessential Batman that we all know. Before that, Batman was just campy. Diba? He was losing his edge. Then Frank Miller brought him back. Tim Burton made him really dark and made this whole world, this whimsical world where Batman lives, where he strives, which is, I think, for me, I don't think any crazy superhero like Batman can live in the real world. He won't. But I like
You just end up becoming Elon Musk. Eh.
oh,
If you're that rich.
if you're that rich. I mean, yung kay, what's his name? Heath Ledger's Joker.
Uh-huh.
I think he's the best Joker.
Perfect.
Yes.
He's the most relatable Joker, and it can really happen. He can happen. Pero Batman in that realistic world, parang I don't think we need Batman in that realistic world. He could just be a vigilante in armor or
I
something.
mean, there are people who dress up as superheroes and
totoo yun.
and they are not very good. They're just they're also just they're just police then ostensibly showing up after the fact or like starting a fight.
Yeah. I mean, I think a superhero like Batman needs a certain world. The world itself is the character. Gotham is a character, which he has to strive in, which he has to live in. So it has to be that crazy for someone like Batman to be believable. So kasama siya. I don't know if I'm making sense. I'm just blabbing.
No, you are. You're making such good points.
I'm
honestly,
just
yeah.
blabbing. So
It's
that's-
like Gotham is just it's its own world, diba? Na parang even though these superheroes coexist in the DC universe, parang iba pa rin yung mundo ng Gotham. Eh.
Right.
Diba?
Actually provable. I think tama ka. It would never happen.
Mhm.
Kasi ulila din ako, may pera din ako, hindi mo naging sa Batman.
Oh.
Sabay din. So, parang pass.
Ikaw yung living proof na
Ako
hindi
yung
siya
ano.
possible.
Ang ganda ng quote ni Alan Moore about Batman.
Wow,
He
yeah.
said na, both my parents just died. I think I'm gonna go into the asylum. That's what the
That's
realistic
perfect.
Batman.
That's a realistic
Oh,
Batman. I own the asylum. Might as well go in. Check myself in.
Mhm.
Ano, Alan Moore, ano yan? No, that Killing Joke was really,
Killing
that's
Joke.
really good,
This
really,
one,
really good.
ano.
Really, really good.
He came to regret yung Killing Joke. Did you know?
Why daw?
He was still writing from the perspective of Watchmen, so it's super dark, and that's not the Batman that he grew up with. Tapos he fridged si Barbara Gordon in it, and umagri siya doon sa feminist saying na hindi naman needed na ibalik si Barbara just to be shot, ganun. Tapos he disowned it. He likes the work pa rin from like craft level, but
Mm.
uh, it's not how he really saw yung character. So that's how he disowned it, ganun. And he made like happier, campier Batmans than like sa ano, sila Dr. Midnight, dun sa
Yeah.
Supreme Run,
Yeah.
ganun.
I mean, alam mo, marami siyang regrets eh. Like LXG, when it became a movie, di ba? He took his name out. He didn't want any part of it.
No, what happened kasi there was they took yung deal kasi si Kevin O'Neill, yung artist, is just his favorite artist ko.
Yeah.
Had like yung mga sakit and stuff, ganun. So they needed the extra money. Tapos someone sued them who said that Fox hired them to make this comic so they could make it to a movie na kinopya lang nila from someone else. And that's why he famously said na I would rather be in a bus full of orphans jumping off into a cliff than do this again. Ganun. Kasi sobrang
That
ridiculous.
was the exact quote.
No, I am really cleaning it up kasi he said some nasty stuff.
Oh, okay.
That's Alan Moore for
Filtered
you.
pa pala yun.
That's Alan Moore for you. Well, yeah. Well, totoo naman. I mean, LXG wasn't that great of a movie. It was entertaining, though.
I loved it when it came out.
As a
Pero
kid.
yung book, I loved din yung book. Like that's what I ended up growing up with.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Is that your favorite Alan Moore? League of Extraordinary Gentlemen?
I think top 10. There's like an issue there about grief na I keep reading every year. Ganun. May namatay na tikbalang. Ganun. Ganda nun.
Yeah.
And top 10 is like yung concept is it's a city full of superheroes. So you focus on yung police.
Right.
So yung idea niya there is if everyone's a superhero, you just focus on their characters
Right.
instead of their powers or like
That's right.
whatever.
Well, that's dissecting a hero for
Yeah.
you. I mean, it's all like that now. With The Boys, it's really like that. Invincible's the same. It's really about the powers has taken the back seat. It's really about focus on the character. Why is he doing that? Diba? It's really that, and we can thank maybe Alan Moore for that, for dissecting a superhero with the Watchmen. Diba? It's I don't know. I'm just a big fan. I just love Alan Moore so much.
Alright, sige. More on that later.
Sige.
Actually, sige. It's 8:44. I have another commercial lined up for you guys and another song request coming in from El Might 21. So I got you. Noted. It's coming in next. But for now, yeah, we'll be going on a soft break. And when we come back, last words, any promotions that you guys might want to have. So yeah, tuned in. Di pa naman tayo tapos. We'll be back in a little bit. So this is Jam 88.3, where everything rocks.
Man, a lot of stuff I'm not familiar with. All I know is that it's DC and Marvel. Some of them, like what,
So much
Vision.
There's so much good
Tom
publishers.
King
now.
Vision.
Tom King.
Ano, Ganda yung ano niya. Ang ganda yung Rorschach
Which one is
niya,
Spawn?
actually.
That's
That's
later,
Image.
right? Image, sorry.
Favorite publisher ko na yun, Image.
Even League of Extraordinary Gentlemen.
Ah.
That's from the comic book.
Yeah.
DC.
DC.
Wildstorm siya initially. Binili siya ng DC.
DC and DC. Tapos, ang dami ng publishers nila magagaling. I like Boom Studios. Magaganda titles nila. Recently.
Man, I made a mistake.
With what?
I used to collect comic books. And then one time I just got bored of the wall.
Mhm.
So I used the covers of the comic books and used it as a wallpaper. Until I realized that one of them is actually the Infinity Wars.
Ayun.
And then,
Could have heard a little bit.
yeah, very sad.
I think I sold Infinity War series. I have it in the shop. I think I sold it for 50 grand or something. Hindi pa maganda yun, ha? I don't grade my comics, eh. Kasi if I grade them, I'm gonna spend. I don't want to spend. Then konti lang naman ang I might just ganito, I'll sell them at a premium kasi naka-grade. Pero not that much. I'm just gonna get my money back from grading. So might as well sila lang magpa-grade. Ganun din yun. Is that Black Hole Sun? Oh man. One of my favorite
Chris
bands in the
Cornell,
world.
Soundgarden.
Soundgarden. I'm a Soundgarden nut.
Mhm.
Me and my girlfriend were Soundgarden nuts, like crazy Soundgarden nuts.
Like from the beginning.
CCC, Soundgarden crazy.
Wait, that's Chris Cornell, right?
He's dead.
Yeah. After, before this guy?
Chris Bennington.
Mhm.
Chester Bennington, not
Chester.
Chris Bennington.
Before, right? Or
I
after?
think no.
Before, I think he
I think
got...
nauna si Chris Cornell.
Yeah, una si Chris Cornell kasi parang kuya yun ni Chester Bennington for some reason.
How true is the rumor about the reason why they died is because they were going against
Epstein thing.
I don't know,
Child
but
porn.
yeah. Oh, sorry.
The One Ring
I've
fell
heard
down.
of that. I've heard of that. I don't know.
Like they were going against the elite class,
That's what they say.
exclusive community.
I think they were also
Hollywood.
depressed.
True.
Yung wild is si Tom DeLonge. Actually,
Tom DeLonge.
naging true yung kanyang UFO conspiracy stuff.
Anong so,
si Blink-182, like si Tom DeLonge. Yeah, si
yeah,
si
Blink.
Tom DeLonge.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was like may i-release na documents that he aided in that sa government to declassify yung mga UFO stuff.
So it's a UFO nut.
Yeah, talaga.
Si ano nga, di ba? Si Billy Corgan bought WCW.
TNT or something.
Last time, he bought a wrestling company.
Yeah.
May shares. Who would have thought?
Ini-enjoy na lang niya yung buhay.
Pera niya. The guy from from Ninja Turtles, si Eastman. Si Eastman bought a tank.
Yeah, yun nung bata pa siya.
Bata
Nung
pa.
may pera pa
First
siya.
millions daw nila, di ba? He bought a
Tapos
tank.
hindi yun yung pinaka-irresponsible, yung nagawa siyang publishing company.